to leave the house at 10, but the guy from Haverty's came. I still had other stuff that I could do anyway, so I just packaged those boxes I said I had to take to the post office. While he was working on our couch, we had a piece that broke on our couch. And you know how the little warranty is, they try to fix it before they replace it, so. But yeah, we were basically about to go to the post office, then we're going to the bank to start the kids' bank. Well, Taylor has a bank account. We need to start one for Camden. And then we were gonna go get brunch. And then, did you bring Taylor's necklace? No. You didn't? I told you get it. We gotta go back to the house and get Taylor's necklace. But let me hop out right now because CJ is pulling me to the front. Y'all, I cannot wear a coat sometimes in the winter. Like, the way I'm set up, I don't know if I'm getting old or what, but I be hot. I didn't wear a coat all last winter.
Yeah, she was out.
Especially with Camden, honey. Huh? He was the one. He had on a coat. I remember, but I've been this way because I remember when I had a job in Prince George at the school district, and the lady was like, "But did you put a coat on your daughter?" I was like, are you kidding me? Like, you gonna ask me that right now? Yes, my child has a coat on. Just because I'm hot don't mean that I'm gonna be negligent to her. Come on now.
Yeah, I don't know why you be getting hot, sweating all crazy.
Look who's talking.
I can wear a jacket and be good.
Alright. I'm going in, guys.
Alright, man. You got it.
Open the basket. I need my wallet.
Dang, closing the door all hard. Come on, man. Okay. I see you. Strong woman.
Alright, I changed the plans. I can't see me. That'll work. Change of plans. Let me take this off. Alright, for real. We have to go to the bank on Monday instead of today because the bank is closed on the inside. I feel like they used to be open on the inside, or maybe it's just the credit union we went to, I don't know. But they're closed on the inside. So we're gonna come back on Monday morning and get that situated. I think we're not picking up the kids until like Tuesday. So that gives us more time to take care of everything that we need to. So yeah, we're back at home. TJ went in to get Taylor's necklace. He is so pressed. He just got some New Balances and he's just so pressed about them. I know he was probably talking y'all head off while I was in the post office too.
What? I was talking about that old time.
But yeah,
mine just got home.
From where?
From been out running errands.
Yeah.
I know you've been talking their head off the whole time I was in the house.
No.
Just talking heads off. I know they be on the camera like, yo, she talking heads off, smooth off. I need a neck brace.
Whatever. So now we're going to this place called Chard for brunch.
Grass look good, babe. Show them my grass.
They saw the grass yesterday when I was outside with crew.
Over, like the front.
They don't know the before. CJ wants to show y'all the grass. He's proud of the grass.
Man, you hate it.
Old man stuff. Proud of grass.
Alright.
Y'all, I'm turning 32 soon.
Always don't know what.
But I'm so happy about it. I think 32 is a cute number.
Still beautiful though as ever.
Thank you, babe. You beautiful too, babe.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, we'll see you guys when we get to the restaurant. We're here. Okay guys, brunch was amazing. The kids called me because Santa came by on a fire truck at my parents' house. They used to do that when I was younger. I didn't know they still did it, but that was Taylor. I've never taken Taylor to get pictures with like Santa or anything like that. So that was her first time ever seeing like a Santa Claus. So she was super hyped. And the service was amazing there too, wasn't it? It's really good. So yeah, now we're going to take Taylor's necklace back. Her necklace has been broke since March and she's wanted it fixed for forever. So we found it because remember it was lost. So glad we didn't buy another one. So we're about to take this back and get it replaced because we have warranty on it. I'm about to give this to someone else. Oh, look. Look, Nani. It's so cute, right? Oh, he went inside.
You already got white. I said you want black. I was just waiting on
You're really cute.
What Dinky? Look, you can hide. What Dinky?
Right there.
He sleep. Look, Nate. Nate, look. Look, Crew hiding. Look, Crew, come look at Crew Cam. Y'all, I'm FaceTiming the kids so they can see. Tell him come see Nani. She can't fit this stuff, can she? Are these the ones you said you like? No. Do you see something for her? No. I don't see nothing besides Hirachis. Yeah, nah. If they had these in black, right? We're looking for a black shoe for Taylor. Yeah. Oh, look at Chris. CJ's so mad I brought him out. Him being a good boy.
So the other one she got like this are 12, right?
Yeah, they might be a 12. But she haven't worn them in a while, so I really don't know if they're
12. Yeah. I just know her Air Force One is 12.
Alright, Chris, sit. 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 Stay. Stay. Ah. Sit. Ah. 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 Sit. Sit. Stay. Okay? Stay. Good boy. Good boy. This your mama boy. This your mama sweet 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 boy. Yeah, so we just got home. The camera's a little crooked, but disregard that. CJ's outside working out. I'm about to start wrapping these presents, and then if I have time and he's still working out, I'm gonna go upstairs and start putting together Camden's toy chest for CJ. So it's like one less thing he has to do, and we can spend time together and stuff. Let me show y'all this thing I got from Etsy right quick. Little tad bit annoyed from it, but it's okay. So when I saw the Etsy ad, I thought it was a stocking that had this attached to it, but it was literally just this. So We have a little dog ornament for Crew. It's cute or whatever, but again, I thought it was a stocking and an ornament. So, yeah. Crew, what are you doing? So I have to wrap up these really quick. And I'm watching some like HGTV type stuff. That's my thing. Let me close up these curtains because it's getting dark already. Oh, y'all, look at the sunset. Can y'all see it? It is so pretty. Hold on. Y'all see that? Ignore the inside of the house, but do you see like the pink and purple? So pretty. The presents are under the tree. We still have more upstairs. We've already wrapped. We have to bring them down. All right, y'all. CJ want to get some sweets after his workout. Y'all, look at what I got on my feet.
You to bug me to come.
No, I did not.
Well, stop to get you a snack. Oh, my damn body. Here you go, babe. Hear me out, though. Look at this. I could do this. Babe.